This bullish trend of gold from bottom 1680 to top 1807 was started on speculation that Fed will pivot, that Fed will stop hiking interest rate, and this trend ended with ending diagonal chart pattern after confirmation from CPI that deflation has been started. And with old definition, two negative GDP numbers, recession is already started. Only thing left is NFP numbers. First, Fed said in last FOMC meeting the rate has reached neutral level. Now FOMC members are saying that they cannot raise interest rate much more. If they do, then it will increase the risk of recession. Now these same people saying they cannot send inflation back to 2% without recession. So this dropped after ending diagonal, which we say why the rumor sell the news, can be retracement because price is still trading above 50% retracement at 1744. If it goes below 61% retracement below 1729, then you can say bearish trend is still active and 1680 is coming next. But as long as price is trading above 50% retracement level and above 1740 level, it is bullish on H4 time frame, and you can say this is retracement. So last week was for seller. You have to sell since first to last hour of the market, so you can expect a bullish entry on 50 to 61% retracement level. This is buy zone. Even if new high does not come, it can make a upside retracement up to 1760. And if we switch to H1 time frame where intraday trader take their entry, then price has made this falling wedge chart pattern, and it is testing lower trend line and upper trend line, and our support zone based on price action is 1734 to 1739. So if this level retest after breakout here, you can buy the upside retracement, and if this happen, then next target can be 1776, the 50% retracement, and a key resistance on this H1 time frame is 1784, near 61% retracement. This is key resistance on this time frame before price goes above 1800, make a new high. So these two are your support and resistance level. Below this level, price are bearish, target 1680, and above this level on H1 time frame, price is bullish. But to get upside target above 1807 and downside target below 1680, we will go to daily time frame. And now you have more than 1 year price action on daily time frame. When Fed was saying inflation is transitory, then first gold collapsed exactly 1 year ago, and now it is doing same. In first week of August, price are dropping, and if this is seasonality price drop, then you cannot say it is bearish because it can continue its bullish trend, because many time because of seasonality. Price drop in first week of August, and last time you saw first it drop on Monday, then goes back up. The real reason behind this bullish trend was Fed pivot from QT to QE, but this bearish trend was all about Fed interest rate. And now they are saying that they cannot achieve 2% inflation target without a recession. Now everyone is using the word recession, but only one person, Ray Dalio, is saying stagflation. By the time Fed will use the word stagflation, it will be too late for you to decide where to buy, where to sell, because that word can create a huge market panic, and no one want to hear that word, because US economy has recession many times and everyone know what to do before and after the recession, but there was only one stagflation and nobody know for sure what can happen. But based on past history, stagflation is good for gold, and it can take 5 to 10 years before inflation go back to 2% if they do everything right and their luck works. Since other traders are counting 135 wave, but I am counting it WXYZ pattern, and this is correction, and you can say this correction has not even hit 38% retracement. So if new high comes, then next target will be 50% retracement at 1875, which is a strong daily resistance. When last time price hit that level, gold break upside because Fed were saying transitory inflation, but inflation was going up. Then Kaskari challenged everyone to prove how can be inflation. Then gold immediately collapsed. And now this same person is saying that they cannot achieve 2% inflation target without recession, because so many people are still believe in recession, but stagflation has been started and they are waiting for officially that these people say that we are in stagflation, because this will change entire financial market for next 5 to 10 year, and some people can get heart attack. So based on Fed monetary policy, chances are low for new lower low, and if it goes below 61% retracement at 1729, then I can say price is bearish. Then next target will be 1650 or 1600, but above 61% retracement 1729, you can say it is bullish and it is a retracement, because stagflation is bullish for gold. It is not a number one choice but one of the best, and once it will become clear, money will flow from every asset to gold. This week we have Jackson Hole meeting where Fed can give signal, but FOMC members are saying they will stop raising interest rate, and after that what comes, rate cut, which is bullish for gold. But all of these things happen before official announcement. You saw gold made top before rate hike, and it made bottom before they are saying that they have to pause interest rate hiking. And for a seller, wait for clear breakout of 1729 level, then you can enter on retracement, because you missed the sale entry last week right at the top. and if bulls fear risk, then wait for upside gold price action, then you can join correction or retracement, because next upside target is 1875 and there is almost 1 month before next FOMC meeting. So Jackson Hole meeting, you will get clear decision whatever they say in end of the week. Then after that, only thing is next FOMC meeting. Before that, CPI number and NFP. If CPI drops again before next FOMC meeting, then Fed QT is over. So back again on H4 time frame. This week till the end of the week, watch for rejection in these 50 to 61% retracement area. Seller wait for retracement for 1785 resistance area.